What's up YouTube, it's Ihsaan of the StyleJumper, your boost to personal style. If you're new to the channel, we release a video once a week where we discuss topics like style, confidence, and etiquette. Please subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell below so you'll be notified when we release our next video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing 10 ways to increase your confidence. Number 1, improve the way you dress. Now, improving the way that you dress is going to change the way you see yourself and also the way others see you. One of the benefits of that is you're going to start receiving compliments. These compliments are just going to affirm and confirm that you're headed in the right direction. Number 2, make a list of your qualities. Now this list are things that people compliment you about, like, gosh, how do you do that so easily? Or you think to yourself, man, I do this with my eyes closed. Now these qualities may consist of a ton of different things, whether it be how people see you, how you see yourself. What are some things that you do that makes you unique and different? Write this list down. You'll be surprised how long it is. Number 3, list your accomplishments. We've accomplished a lot of things in life that we probably don't give ourselves credit for. So take some time, list all the things. I mean, you can go back as far as you want to. I guarantee it's gonna be much longer than you imagine. It'll just lift you up and you'll think, gosh, I can't believe that I've done all those things. Number 4, set a goal for yourself and an action plan to reach that goal. Now, by doing the process of working towards that goal, you're gonna build some momentum. And by building momentum, it's gonna lift your confidence. And once you reach that goal, it's gonna spike your confidence sky high. Follow through, work on it every day, and you'll see a change. Number 5, working out. Now this is all about body transformation and self-image. So when you start working out and you lose weight or you gain lean muscle, or whatever your goal is, it's just gonna boost your confidence because you're seeing those results. And it may not be immediate. With time and consistency, you'll see your body change and so will others around you. And you're gonna start looking in the mirror a little longer. God, man, I'm looking good as hell. Number 6, listening to self-development books, podcasts, and YouTube channels. And no one can do that for yourself but you. So you have to really consider taking some time on a daily basis to work on your self-development. Oh, and by the way, my kids hate riding with me. Because they're like, oh God, Dad, we're gonna listen to another podcast, another book. Can we listen to our music? Hey, don't worry about it. The wonderful thing about that is they're gonna be hearing it. Make that a part of your plan. Make that a part of your daily routine. Make that a part of how you live. Number 7, visualization. Now, visualizing what it is that you want to do, accomplish, and be is super important. And one of the things that I've done is create a vision board. And I put down things, where there's places I want to go, opportunities I want to have, where I want my body to be. All those different things I put on my vision board. I put empowering words. I put words of encouragement, phrases of encouragement, people who have influenced me. And I keep that in arm's reach. It's in my bedroom, so I look at it when I wake up, and I'm going to be working every single day to reach those goals. Number 8, posture. By having bad posture, it automatically pulls your energy down. What I recommend is start thinking about how you're standing and how you're sitting, and you want to elongate your body. It's not like you're going to be a soldier or anything like that, or a statue, but it's by bringing that confidence of you opening up your diaphragm. You're feeling confident, you're looking taller, leaner. Regardless of your size, that posture is just gonna really improve the way you feel about yourself and the way others see you. Number 9, do something out of your comfort zone. Now this is something that maybe you've been afraid to do, you've been putting off, you've been procrastinating, and you may have made it something bigger than it really is. Do it. No more excuses. Whatever it is, do one of those things, and it's gonna increase your confidence, because that mountain, that demon, that devil is going to be a lot smaller than you thought. No more excuses, and stop being punked. Number 10, stop comparing yourself to others. Now fellas, it's really difficult, right? You maybe see others who have accomplished all these goals. Maybe they got the big house, the nice car, the beautiful spouse or significant other, the wonderful family, all those things that maybe you don't have just yet. But you can't compare yourself to those people because you don't know what sacrifices they've made, what things that they had to put off to reach those goals. So don't compare. Focus on yourself and maybe even look at where you've come from, because if you reflect back to see how far you've come, you'll probably feel a lot better about yourself. But you have to give yourself that time and chance to do so. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. And if you have questions or suggestions about what I should be speaking about next, leave it in the comments below. And remember, when you leave home today, walk out with style, confidence, and etiquette. And for those of you who need a little boost in your confidence, I got you back. We'll see you next time.